I am Devinder Singh. Here I am going to share a trick which is very useful to solve all the questions of compounding interest without using any formula. The name of trick is BAP. We will not use any formula in the whole chapter. We will solve all the questions by using a simple diagram. The diagram is PAAB. If we read this diagram from down to up, it becomes BAAP, BAP, which is BAP of all the tricks. If we have to find the value of simple interest, we will add both the values of A. It becomes the value of SI. If we have to find the value of compound interest, we will add the values of double A and B. It gives us the value of CI. If we have to calculate the value of difference between SI and CI, we have to find the value of B. Difference between SI and CI. To calculate the value of amount, we will add all the numbers in the diagram. It gives us the value of amount. Let us take an example through which we can learn that how can we use this diagram to solve the example. The value of principal given is 6400. Now we have to calculate the value of A. While moving downward in the diagram, we have to multiply the P with R percent. We can convert this R percent to fraction only to reduce the calculation. 25% means 1/4. R percent means 1/4. Now taking 1/4 of 6400, which is 1600, and the second A is also same, which is 1600. Now moving one step more downward, again multiply with 1/4, which becomes 400. Now we have completed the whole diagram, which is P, A and B. First question is to find the value of compound interest. As we have discussed earlier that to find the value of CI, we have to add these values. It becomes 1600 plus 1600 plus 400, which becomes 3600. Second question is to find the value of simple interest. To find the value of simple interest, simply add both the values of A, which becomes 1600 plus 1600, which becomes 3200. And the next question is the difference between CI and SI. It is directly given that the value of B is 400. The value of B gives us the value, difference between CI and SI, which becomes 400. And the next question is to find the value of amount. As we have discussed earlier, to find the value of amount, we have to add all the values of the diagram, which becomes 6400 plus 1600 plus 1600 and plus 400. It becomes 10,000. In this diagram, the value of P was given and we were asked to calculate the value of CI, SI, difference between CI and SI, and the value of amount. We have calculated the 4 questions by using a single diagram, which is very easy to learn. We can learn the diagram by simply remember a word, which is bar. In case the value of P is given and we have to ask to calculate the value of SI and CI, we have to move downward in the diagram. While moving downward, we have to multiply with R percent. In the next step, we will again multiply with R percent. But in some cases, we have to find the value of P and the value of SI and CI will be given. In that case, we have to move upward in the diagram. While moving upward, we have to divide the value with R percent. Again moving one step upward, we have to again divide with R percent. Let us take an example. Here is an example. In this example, the difference between CI and SI is given, which is 80, and the rate of interest is given 25%. We have to find the value of SI, CI and amount. And the time is given 2 years. As we know, to find the compound interest for 2 years, we will use the diagram which is PAAB. We have given the value, the difference between SI and CI, which is 80. We all know that the value B is 80. Now we have to find the value of P, that is we have to move upward in the diagram. To move one step upward, we have to divide 80 with R%. We can convert R in fraction, which is 1/4. 80 divided with 1/4, which becomes 320 and 320. Now we have to reach at P. To reach at P, we have to move one step more upward. To move one step more, we have to again divide 320 upon 1/4, which becomes 320 into 4, which is 1280. Here we get the value of P, which is the value of P is 1280. If it is asked to calculate the value of SI, SI becomes A plus A, which is 320 plus 320, which becomes 640. If it is asked to calculate the value of CI, CI becomes 640 plus 80. It becomes 720. If it is asked to calculate the value of amount, we will add all the values, 1280 plus 640 plus 80, which becomes 2000. Hopefully you have enjoyed the trick. For more tips and tricks, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you want more tips and tricks, please do comment, like and share our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.